In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use a voice changer on our Discord. So we will use this free application to change our Discord voice called voice mode. So come to this voicemode.net website and click on download for free, and then it may ask you to sign in. Just go ahead and create a free account to sign in, and then just download the voice mode installer on your PC and install the voice mode on your computer. Now go ahead and run the voice mode on your PC, and then come to this voice mode settings page. Here select basic mode, and under input here you have to select your current microphone, which microphone you are using on your PC. So I'm selecting my microphone, and here you can select your headphone, and then go to your Discord, and on your Discord go to user settings. In user settings, scroll down and tap on voice and video. Here select voice, and under input device here we have to select microphone voice mode virtual audio device, and here you can select your output device, and then go to your voice mode again and select this voice mode homepage, and here you'll find bunch of different voice effects. Just select any of the voice effect. Here, as you can see, my voice successfully changed. Now I'm selecting this banana
effect, and here we can see the voice effect. So that's how you can just
go ahead and select any free voice effect from here, and once you selected the voice effect, now whenever you join in a voice channel or you are in a call in Discord, your voice will also change in Discord. And to make your voice clear again, come to this voice mode section and here select
mic.